Hey YouTubers, a couple of years since I've made a video. Anyway, ended up buying this Power Scrub Deluxe from Hoover, the Spin Scrub 50 and not the Spin Scrub 60 because it was like way more money, and also because a reputable carpet cleaning upholstery place that's been around forever, Coit. They have their top 5 carpet cleaning machines, and the more expensive 60 series, whatever, came in at number 5, and the one we ended up buying was number 1. This Power Scrub Deluxe carpet washer. Anyway, we were going to just buy a Bissell because it was on sale too, but did not, because mainly the power head is just sort of spinning or rotating, whichever way you want to look at it. And we had, but the landlord had new Berber carpets put in, and don't ever buy Berber. Don't ever buy Berber carpets. They feel gross, they look gross, and they just look all matty and worn out. And these are about a year old now, and the carpet just sort of lays flat like that. When they said they were going to put new carpets in, we offered to pay for hardwood floors. You can pick your own contractor, you can buy any materials you want, we'll pay for it. But no, that didn't happen, so we thought, okay, they're going to give us a new carpet, fine. But we were not too happy when they put in this cheap Berber, probably made for commercial base